Let's go. Hey friends, my name is Sam and thank you for clicking on my channel and watching this video. I'm going to be talking about Melanin hair care today and I'm very excited to share this brand with you. So if you're into it, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, let's get into the video. So Melanin hair care is a brand by Whitney White. She is the OG natural hair YouTuber. So now she has a hair care line and it's called Melanin Hair Care. And she started in 2018, I believe. We're in 2022 right now, so I'm a little bit late on the train, but I had to make sure that I supported your girl because she's the real deal, the OG. And yeah, so I'm going to do an unboxing of the products that I got. So I got 3 products. I'm also from Canada. I'm in like the greater Toronto area, so there are some things that I had to take into consideration when making this purchase because of course it's a US company. So I got the box. I got the box yesterday and I'm so excited to open it up. And this is what she's looking like. Can y'all see that? Nicely packaged. Got 2 little cardies here. Okay, so the first thing, as soon as I open the box, is we see the first one. It's the Twist Elongating Style Cream, and it's so cute. I know that Whitney was a graphic designer, or probably still is, still doing graphic design, but the packaging is adorable. So I got 2, and so I believe each of these were $20 USD. So that's 40 USD right there. So this is the multi-use pure oil blend. And what's really cool about this is it has a little nozzle at the top so that you can apply it really easily to your hair. So I think that's really cool. The oil was $22 USD, okay? So the last thing in this box is the African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. And again, this is a decent amount of shampoo for what you're getting. This one I believe was the most expensive. I think it was $24. I'm gonna check that right now as well. No, I lied. It was $20 for this. So the style cream and the soap, the shampoo are the same amount, $20 USD. I really like, again, the application knob, the application knob for this one, and then also it's a decent amount of shampoo that we have in here. So once again, no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oils, no silicones, all that good stuff. And then there's a nice little message on the back and how to use is all up on here. But yeah, these are all the goodies that I got from Melanin Hair Care. I'm so excited to try these. So it comes with a little card that explains what each of the products do, and it has all of her main products. So the style cream, the oil blend, and the conditioner, which I don't have unfortunately, and then the African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo is the big one on the back. For your reference, I have low porosity hair, and my hair type is probably a 4A, 4B, 4C. I'm all in the 4s. Depending on what section of my hair that you're sitting in, it's gonna be one of those 3. Probably leaning closer to 4A, 4B, but that's where I'm sitting at. So let me give you the juicy stuff. Let me tell you what like the actual price was that I paid for this because I am in Canada. So for this guy, actually let me grab my notes. The amount that I paid for all of it, so the African Black Soap, $20 USD, the oil, $22 USD, and the style cream, $20 USD, altogether $82 USD. Okay, great, we love to see it. I'm like, okay, that's not too bad. And then, of course, you have to convert it to CAD. So with the conversion, it ended up coming to $109.78. And I'm like, okay, that's also not too bad. That's like $25 per product or so, something like that, Canadian. I'm fine. So I made the purchase on the 5th, and then it came in yesterday, which was the 10th. So it just took a couple of days. Not too bad considering it's shipped from the States. I got an email from DHL, of course, asking me to pay customs. And I'm like, oh man, I can't get around this. So customs from DHL was $31.27, which was a little painful to pay, but I'm like, okay, whatever, I need to get my Melanin hair care products, I'm gonna do it. So altogether, I didn't have to pay anything else after that. So altogether with the US to Canadian conversion and the DHL, it came to $140.95 to get these 4 products. So it's like $35 per product, you know? Yeah, so that's what I ended up paying for it. I'm really excited to try these products. I've been wanting to kind of start like a natural hair YouTube channel for, it's gotta be like 10 years now, friends. It's pushing 10 years. That's insane. That's a decade that I've been wanting to do stuff with my natural hair and, you know, show that on YouTube, and I have not done so. There are also many failed attempts of me trying to do this. I had a whole brand, friends. I had a whole brand. Maybe I'll throw some footage from my very first attempt at making a YouTube video into this video.
Hey guys, so I decided to make a natural hair YouTube account because I love my natural hair and I just started to embrace it about 6 months ago.
Yeah, that's all you get for now. That was a mess. I'm so sorry that you had to watch that, but that was little baby me trying to do a little, you know, YouTube thing a decade ago, and here I am finally actually doing it. So I am on a whole natural hair journey for myself right now, and I'm really excited to see where it goes. I've had a lot of ups and downs, ebbs and flows with my natural hair, and I have a goal in mind for what I want for my natural hair, and I'm really hoping that I can share that journey with you on this channel. So that's me. These are my products. I'm so excited to try these out, and of course I will film a video when I do try them out. But if you guys are into this kind of content, lifestyle, natural hair, traveling, all of the fun stuff, then feel free to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button and that bell notification so that you know when I upload new videos. And if you're from the GTA and you're into like Canadian content, then feel free to hit that subscribe button too. But yeah, I will check you guys out in the next video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!